Hey, travel enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into a topic that might just blow your mind: the hidden costs of traveling unsustainably and how you can avoid them. We all love to explore new destinations, but did you know that some of our travel habits can be secretly draining our wallets and damaging our planet? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about transportation. Sure, budget flights might seem like a steal, but in reality, those low prices come at a high environmental cost. Frequent flyer miles? They're racking up your carbon footprint. Instead, consider opting for trains or buses, especially for shorter trips. They're often more affordable and eco-friendly. Next, accommodation. Those luxury resorts and hotels might offer comfort, but they often come with hidden costs like excessive water and energy use. Try looking for eco-friendly lodgings or even homestays. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a more authentic experience. Food is another big one. While it's tempting to eat out for every meal, those costs add up fast. And let's not forget about the environmental impact of food waste. Shopping at local markets and cooking your own meals can save you cash and reduce waste. Now let's talk about souvenirs. It's easy to get carried away buying trinkets and gifts, but many of these items are mass-produced, low quality, and often end up in landfills. Opt for locally made products that support the community and have a smaller environmental footprint. Lastly, consider the hidden costs of over-tourism. Popular destinations might be on everyone's bucket list, but they're often overcrowded and overpriced. Exploring off-the-beaten-path locations can be more affordable and offer a richer experience. So how can you travel more sustainably? Start by planning ahead. Research eco-friendly options and be mindful of your choices. Remember, sustainable travel doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It means making smarter choices that benefit you, your wallet, and the planet. All right, that's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel tips and tricks. Let's make every trip an adventure worth remembering. Safe travel.